too.
Look, I want to. You know what Kelly is standing in? Standing in a pan. Look at that.
He's a really old Levi, honey. Come on. You love it. Because my feet look crazy. Look at that. That's a little dog.
It's been like. Oh, I almost fell in a hole.
Don't fall.
Y'all make fun of my pin light.
Your pin light.
Y'all be making fun of my pin light.
Come in, Miss Reddy.
Y'all with my stick. Just y'all with my stick.
That's a swing blade.
Swing blade. Or whatever.
Swing blade.
I
Yep.
see the house, too. Don't let that
Watch that hole now.
Ooh, that is a hole.
Yeah.
Big John. My gracious. What in the Sam Hill?
I want to know who Sam Hill is.
Sam
I got me a
Hill.
horseshoe.
A horse.
I got me a horseshoe.
You better hope it's lucky.
You better be glad I wasn't standing there when you threw it out. Ray, you hit me in the head with that horseshoe.
Put it on in. Ooh, I found me an old knot. Yes, get one of them old knot, girls. Look at this.
You better be.
That one just
Watch
old
where you
knot.
throw it. Watch where you throw it.
Oh, I love that lot.
Oh, that's nice.
Hang on. Charlie hands it. Charlie hands it.
Shall
That's a
we?
basket of snakes.
She's coming out with a basket of snakes.
Oh, honey.
You know, if that was a basket of snakes, you'd be pooped all over yourself.
See what hiding there.
Poop all over yourself.
You're going to poop all over yourself, girl.
Oh, what is all this?
That's just a little wooden boat.
Hey, that was engine pottery. You just threw it away.
That's why I found that lot.
Where are you from, anyway?
I found that lot in here. Oh, there's a go on that bowl. There's a lid to go to that bowl.
David, what you think about all us talking on there?
I love it.
He's in the company of three.
Oh, Kelly, here's some of this thing.
He's in the company of three beautiful women and a bunch of bamboo in a barn. How could he not love it?
That's right.
Woohoo!
Oh, Kelly. Oh,
And to all those that aren't
there's
here,
another one of these things.
yeah,
Must we all remember.
yeah, I love that. And we all must remember.
God loves
God,
you.
I love that.
And does he love my hair?
He loves your hair. He loves every hair on your head.
And the
And
sweat?
he knows exactly how many you have on your head,
I even know.
including the one you just lost.
That's right. I probably
Hello.
Look. I probably all over me.
We're gone again. Bye.